Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and you have to download the application to transfer data. So I recommend you to get the application, the name CLONEit. So you have to get it on the both smartphones. If you do, just open it. Right now we have to click on the all at once. Click Sender on your Huawei and Receiver on Xiaomi. Tap on the search again. Right now just wait a little bit. Click on the Android share icon. And we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code, but also we can input the password manually. I will scan the QR code. Accept the request on the Huawei smartphone, and right now if you want to send everything, just click on all of these icons and tap on the start. But in my case there is only examples, so I will go for the details and I will pick the music. So I will send two songs from the Post Malone, then tap on the start, click on OK, and it's finished. And right now we can check if it is working. So let's go for our file manager, go for the music, and as you can see, there are the songs that we sent from our Huawei smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.